Friends, let's draw some sea animals. First up is a starfish.
Oh my God.
Starfishes usually have 5 arms, but some can grow up to having 50. Isn't that amazing, kids? Next up is a clownfish. Clownfishes live in sea amnion, which is a type of coral. Now we're gonna draw a crab. Crabs have 10 legs. Aw, it looks so cute with that mouth. Now we're gonna draw a jellyfish. Look at that cute purple one. Jellyfishes have lots of tentacles that are used for stinging predators. Next up is a seahorse. Did you know that the daddy seahorse gives birth instead of the mommy seahorse? Where did that eye come from? Now it's time to color the animals. Our first color for the starfish is red. Can you say it with me? Red, red. Now we're gonna use some light green. Can you say light green? Light green. Next up is some dark orange. Now some blue. And some purple for outlining. And now some orange. Eyes for the starfish. Ow! Now we're doing the crab. First up is some purple. Can you say purple? Purple. What's a cat's favorite color? Purple. Now some red. Can you tell me what is red? Knuckles. Now some green for the feet. Green, green grass. Now some purple again. Now we're doing the jellyfish. Some orange. Ow, why are the eyes still on the starfish? Some green. Some peach. And some purple. Now some brown. Some green. More green. Can you say green? Green. And some blue. Do, 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 do. And yellow. Now it's time for the clownfish. We're gonna do some red. And some yellow. And some blue. Some indigo. Some more indigo. Some orange. Some dark orange. Some blue. Some green. Some red. Some dark green. Some purple. And lucky lost, pink. Now we're gonna do a rainbow seahorse, friends. Look at its belly. It's turning rainbow. It looks perfect, right? Now we're gonna use some blue for the fin. Huh? Why isn't it colored fully? Oh, that's because we're doing blue and orange, like Blippi. Some purple. Some red. Some orange. Some blue. My favorite color is blue. Some yellow. Some green. Some brown. Some light green. Some more red. Some brown. Some green. Some yellow for the face. And that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell me what your favorite color is in the comments.